Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you Shalgam, Gonglu. In typical Punjabi we call it Gonglu, Gonglu Sabzi. Shalgam Sabji, we can also call it Shaljam. English we call it turnip. So these are big huge turnip. I'm going to use 3 of these. I'm going to peel it, then I'm going to wash it, then I'm going to cut it into small pieces. For our tadka, we're going to use olive oil, 1 tomato, 1 onion, about 1 inch ginger, and 2 green chili. These are real hot serrano chili. You always can substitute with the red chili or black pepper. 2 tablespoons corn flour, and this is, we call it makki da atta. I'm using this brand. You can use any brand. It's gluten free, it's a white corn. And please don't get confused with corn starch. Don't add cornstarch. We're going to use makki da flour, corn flour. All the spices, 1 teaspoon each. Cumin seed, jeera, brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can substitute with the white sugar. Cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt, and then a half cup water. Once we peel the turnips and cut into small pieces, we're going to put it into pressure cooker along with turmeric powder and salt and a half cup water. And let's get started. We're going to get our pressure cooker, fresh cilantro, onion, tomato, ginger, green chili is all cut into small pieces, and the turnip, the shalgam, gonglu, washed and cut into small pieces. So first we're going to add shalgam, the turnip, gonglu. Once we add it, then we're going to bring half cup water, turmeric powder, salt, mix it. This is good enough. Put the lid back on. We're going to start gas, put the pressure cooker, and we'll wait for 1 whistle. We have our first whistle, and I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to let it sit until it cools down. We're going to put our pressure cooker on the back burner, and we're going to start gas. Bring a fry pan, and we're going to start tadka. We're going to use 2 tablespoons olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. I'll bring cumin. So we're going to give like a 30 seconds. So I'm going to bring ginger. For only 30 seconds. This is good enough. Now we're going to bring onion. Mix it well, and we're going to keep cooking our onion. Cooking our onion for 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook our onion. This sabji requires fresh onion. So now I'm going to bring green chili. Cook for 1 minute along with onion. So within 3 minutes, onion is going to be transparent. Cooking our green chili for 1 minute. And this is the time. Bring corn flour. And we're going to cook our corn flour along with onion. Many people, when they cook turnip, shalgam or gonglu, they add corn flour directly into turnips or gonglu. Please try it this way. You're going to like it. This is one of the reasons I was saying you don't need to burn your onion, because when you're cooking onion along with other things, then onion stay firm, get nicely transparent. So we're going to cook for 1 minute. As you've seen it start to change color, it took us 1.5 minutes. It can depend on your burner. It can take 2 minutes, but it's nicely, the color has been changed. Bring the tomatoes. We're going to mix it well. This is really important. We're just going to keep turning, and I'm going to bring the gas to medium low, which is number 3. As you see, the corn flour is nicely cooked. After mixing it well, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, cook on medium low gas for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the closed lid on medium low flame, and we're going to mix them well. As you see, the tomatoes has got tender. This is all we need. Now I'm going to bring the pressure cooker in the front, as there is no more pressure, and I'm going to open it. This is how it looks. If we can close it, turn the fan on, and if we see, it's nicely done. Bring the tadka into pressure cooker. All taken out. After adding our tadka, I'm going to mix it and keep your gas on medium low. And now I'm going to bring spices, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala. and brown sugar. And we're going to mix it. This is good. Now we're going to use a hand blender. So we're not going to make a smooth gravy. We're just going to do it very little. So you have some of those big chunks are in there and a nice gravy. This is looking perfect and that's it. And I'm going to bring the gas to simmer, which is low. As you see, still small chunks in there. You don't want to make a smooth gravy. Then you don't enjoy it. This way you will get some chunks of shalgam, turnip or gongloo. I'm going to bring cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves. Mix it well. So after mixing it well, leave it on a simmer for 5 minutes. Cooking on a simmer for exactly 5 minutes. Turn off the gas. Got my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. This is very easy to make and it's a super delicious. It's one of the best vegan recipe. Vegetarian delight. Our quick and easy turnip, shalgam, Gongloo Sabzi is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha and best of all with corn roti, makki di roti. I hope you're going to like this dish. Like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.